E kimi ana Joshua Potter-Gardiner I te hunga kāinga kore o Tautahi, ia rā.
There's not a neighbourhood in Christchurch that I haven't visited in response to homelessness.
E mōhio ana te kaimahi whakawhaiti hapori mo te whare mihana ki o Tautahi, te āhuatanga o te moe I ngā tiriti, nā I noho kāinga kore a ia I mua. A mōna, he wahanga nui o tāna mahi te whakaatu aroha ki te hapori. A kua whai wāhi ia hei māngai mo te hapori ki ngā tēpū kaunihera.
We run on an oily rag, and when I go do speeches and conversations with people about homelessness, and when I go back out the street, I let the whānau know that there is communities out there that actually do care.
We've got very, very clear evidence that a change in policy has led to more homeless on our streets in Christchurch, and we do need to express concern about it.
My experience, there's people out there that are full-time workers, students, the lot. We have a great opportunity in Waitaha and throughout New Zealand to end homelessness.
Nō tēnei marama I whiwhi ngā uri e rua o Ngāi Tahu I te tohu Tower Local Hero Medallist, mai ngā tohu pou kohure o Aotearoa mō a rāua mahi ki te hapori kāinga kore. Ko Potter-Gardiner tētahi, a ko Flow Waaka tētahi atu mō tōna mahi tunu kai wera mō rātou I awiki.
Oh, to be honest, I didn't realise, I thought it was a bit of a scam. I was like, no, this isn't real. Oh, for me, it's always been about tangata whenua, the people, not just Māori people, all sorts of people.
It's very bizarre to get a medal for something where I feel that's gotten worse since I've been employed in this job. I'm not a hero. I don't feel like I'm a hero. I'm just a human being with love and compassion and an opportunity to bring change. And I'm a voice box for the whānau on the street.
Nō tēnei marama I whakae te Premier a Christopher Luxon, e ata whakaaro ana te kāwanatanga ki te whakatinana I ngā whakahauneke, hei pana I te hunga kāinga kore I waho o te pokapū o te taone. He mea wangawanga mō ēnei hapahāpai.
For me, it's got worse since the prices of food and everything gone up. I don't think it's going to get any better. I think it's going to get worse out there.
When emergency accommodation was closed down, that's when I saw an extensive increase of homelessness. And it's carried on. Usually I'd see a bit of a change in winter. It's been consistent. We need to make sure that society does not walk past somebody on the street that needs help without care, because then we've failed ourselves as a society and we've failed ourselves as people.
Ka haere tonu te mahi whakarongo ki ngā reo o te whānau a Potter-Gardiner, hei kawe ki te kāwanatanga a rohe, a e hāngai ana ki te hapahāpai a waka kia whakawhānui ana free feeds ki te toenga o te motu. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.